Sony has just done something that almost nobody in the camera industry expected. After years of complete silence, the company has finally placed the RX100 VIII on its expected 2026 release roadmap, instantly reigniting excitement among photographers, vloggers, and camera enthusiasts around the world. For nearly 6 years, fans of the legendary RX100 lineup had almost given up hope. There were no official updates, no meaningful leaks, and no clear indication that Sony intended to continue one of the most respected compact camera series ever created. Many believed smartphones had completely replaced premium pocket cameras, making the RX100 a forgotten product line. But now, everything appears to be changing. Fresh rumors are emerging from reliable sources, and each new report paints a picture of a camera that could completely redefine what a premium compact camera is capable of in 2026. If these leaks prove accurate, the RX100 VIII may become one of Sony's most exciting releases in years. At the center of the rumored upgrade is a completely redesigned 1-inch stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor that promises dramatically improved image quality. A new sensor is more than just an increase in megapixels. It is the foundation for better color reproduction, higher dynamic range, faster readout speeds, and significantly cleaner images in challenging lighting conditions. Reports suggest that the new sensor will exceed the 24-megapixel mark, offering a meaningful jump over the 20.1-megapixel sensor found in the RX100 VII. That increase gives photographers greater flexibility for cropping without sacrificing detail, while also improving overall sharpness across every image. Of course, a powerful sensor requires an equally powerful processor, and Sony is rumored to be pairing it with the latest BIONZ XR image processing engine. This processor has already demonstrated impressive performance in Sony's alpha cameras, delivering faster autofocus calculations, improved image processing, enhanced subject recognition, and better overall efficiency. Bringing this technology into such a compact body could make the RX100 VIII feel more like a professional camera than a simple point-and-shoot. Faster processing means shorter delays, quicker burst shooting, smoother menus, and much more reliable tracking when photographing fast-moving subjects such as wildlife, sports, children, or pets. Video creators may have even more reasons to be excited. While the RX100 VII already delivered impressive 4K recording with full pixel readout, expectations have risen dramatically since 2019. According to current leaks, the RX100 VIII could finally support higher frame rate 4K recording along with 10-bit internal video, providing vastly improved color depth for professional editing. That alone would make the camera significantly more attractive to filmmakers and content creators who rely on accurate color grading during post-production. Rumors also point toward upgraded image stabilization, possibly combining optical stabilization with AI-assisted electronic correction for smoother handheld footage. This could allow vloggers to record cinematic-looking video without always depending on a gimbal. Another exciting possibility is improved slow-motion recording with greater detail and reduced artifacts, giving creators more flexibility for creative storytelling. Low-light performance is also expected to receive one of the biggest improvements in the camera's history. Early reports indicate that the new sensor and processor combination could deliver as much as 2 stops better noise performance than the previous generation. If true, photographers would be able to capture cleaner images in dim restaurants, concerts, city streets at night, or indoor events without immediately reaching for a flash. This is one area where dedicated cameras continue to outperform smartphones despite advances in computational photography. Combined with Sony's refined color science, which is rumored to be closer to its professional alpha lineup, users can expect more natural skin tones, richer landscapes, and less time spent correcting colors during editing. Autofocus has always been one of Sony's biggest strengths, and the RX100 VIII appears ready to raise the standard once again. The Mark VII already impressed users with its 357 phase detection autofocus points and outstanding real-time tracking technology for humans and animals. However, newer AI-powered recognition algorithms could make the upcoming model even more capable by recognizing faces, eyes, vehicles, birds, and other subjects with greater precision. Fast subject acquisition and continuous tracking are becoming essential features for modern creators, and Sony seems determined to keep the RX100 series ahead of the competition in this area. Battery life has long been one of the few weaknesses of the RX100 family, but rumors suggest Sony has addressed that concern as well. The previous NP-BX1 battery delivered roughly 260 shots per charge, which many travelers considered limiting. Reports now indicate that the RX100 VIII could increase battery life by approximately 30%, making it much more practical for full-day shooting sessions. At the same time, modern connectivity is expected to receive a complete refresh. USB-C charging and data transfer are now virtually mandatory in premium devices, and Sony is finally expected to adopt the standard across the RX100 lineup. Support for faster UHS-I memory cards would also improve workflow by reducing buffer times and accelerating file transfers for photographers shooting high-resolution bursts or large video files. The rear display is also rumored to receive improvements, including higher brightness and increased resolution for easier composition under bright sunlight. Importantly, Sony appears committed to preserving one of the RX100's greatest strengths, its compact size. Despite packing more advanced hardware inside, the camera is expected to remain pocketable, perhaps becoming only slightly thicker than the Mark VII, while maintaining the iconic design that has made the series so popular among travelers. The long development gap may actually work in Sony's favor, because it has allowed enough technological progress to justify a truly generational upgrade rather than a simple refresh. Features once considered impossible in compact cameras, including AI-powered autofocus, advanced stabilization, and professional video capabilities, have now matured enough to fit into this tiny body. Enthusiasts have also been vocal about what they want from the next RX100. Many hope Sony will revive the brighter 24-70mm f/1.8 lens from earlier generations, improve heat management for extended video recording, enhance the electronic viewfinder, and deliver better high ISO performance. Pricing will likely determine how successful the camera ultimately becomes. If Sony can position the RX100 VIII between approximately $899 and $999 while delivering all these improvements, it could dominate the premium compact camera market once again. However, pricing above the previous generation could make buyers consider larger interchangeable lens cameras instead. Regardless of the final specifications, the rumored RX100 VIII represents more than just another camera launch. It symbolizes Sony's confidence that dedicated compact cameras still have an important place alongside smartphones. For photographers who value real optics, manual controls, larger sensors, and the satisfaction of capturing images with a purpose-built camera, the RX100 series remains something special. If these rumors become reality, the RX100 VIII could easily become the most anticipated compact camera of the decade, and remind the world why Sony has long been considered the leader in premium pocket photography.